Hello students, welcome to the computer class. So today's topic is types of computer mouse. Okay, but before I explain you the types of computer mouse, let me first explain you what is a mouse. Okay, so students, a mouse is a device that points and selects text or icons on the screen. Alright, a mouse is also called as input device. Okay. Input device. But why it is called as input device? Because it sends data to the computer. Now let's talk about the parts of a computer mouse. So the computer mouse has mainly three parts, or you can say three buttons. That is the left button, right button and the scroll button. Okay, let me just write their name. Left button, right button and scroll button. Alright. Now, the left button is used to select or choose the icons on the screen. Alright. The right button is used to display the menu on the computer screen. Now we have scroll button. So the scroll button is used to scroll the screen. When we cannot see something on the screen which is given downwards, then we use this button to scroll it. Okay. Now I am going to show you the functioning of each button on the computer screen so that you can understand it in a better way. Okay. So students, can you see a mouse here? Right? It has three buttons, left, right and scroll button. Alright? Now let me show you how to use the left button. Okay? So as you can see, the screen is on and the cursor is moving. Okay? So students, you need to double click on the icon to open on the desktop. Okay? See, I clicked on network. Now the network dialog box has appeared. Okay? So now here, for example, if I have to open anything else, then I'll click on it as well. Alright. Like here, I clicked on a file. Now it has opened. Okay. Okay. So the main use of left button is to click or select an icon. Alright. Or to open it. Now I'm going to close this dialog box using the left button. Okay. Let me show you the use of right button. So the right button is used to display the menu. For example, if I just click it on the desktop, then I'll get a menu here. Okay, let me just show you. See, I got a menu. Now to select anything on this menu, you have to click on the left button. Okay. So now I'm going to show you the use of the scroll button. Okay. So as I've told you, the scroll button is used to scroll the screen downwards or upwards. Okay. Now as you can see here, I am scrolling the screen on the left side because I cannot see all the things here. So can you see how I am scrolling the scroll button upwards and downwards? This is how you have to use it. So now I am going to close this box using the left button. Okay. So students, this is how you have to use the three buttons of a computer mouse. Now let's study the types of computer mouse. Alright. Okay. So students, there are three types of computer mouse. The first one is ball mouse. Okay. The second one is optical mouse. The third one is wireless mouse. Okay, so these are the three types of computer mouse. Now I am going to explain you each of them. Okay, the first type of mouse that we have is ball mouse. Okay, so a ball mouse is a mouse that has a ball under it which helps in the movement of the mouse pointer on the computer screen. Fine. So students, as you can see here in this picture, there is a ball under this mouse. Okay, so this is the ball that helps the mouse to move on the computer screen. Okay, to move the pointer on the computer screen. Now the second one is optical mouse. So an optical mouse has an LED in it. What is an LED? Wait, let me write the full form of LED first. LED. Light emitting diodes. Okay, so the full form of LED is light emitting diodes. So now in optical mouse, LED, that is the light emitting diodes, helps the mouse as a method of tracking the mouse pointer. Okay, and one more thing about optical mouse is it is faster than the ball mouse. Okay, so the LED in the optical mouse helps it to move the pointer on the screen. Now the third type of mouse that we have is wireless mouse. Okay, so this type of mouse is not attached to the computer and the communication between the computer and the mouse is through signals, just like a remote control of a TV, right? So students, apart from the three types of mouse, there are two more types of mouse that are not much in use nowadays. Let me also tell you about them. The first one is 2-button mouse and the second one is 3-button mouse. So the 2-button mouse has 2 buttons, okay, and the 3-button mouse has 3 buttons. Fine. 2-button mouse and 3-button mouse devices are no longer used these days. Okay students, so this is all for today. I hope you all understood what is a mouse and what are the different types of mouse. Now if you have any doubts, then do ask me. Do not keep the doubts in your mind. Alright? Now I'm going to take a rapid fire quiz. So be ready. So students, in this quiz, I will ask you 3 questions which you will have to answer instantly. Okay? So I'll write the questions here and you have to write the answers in your notebooks. Okay, so the first question is, how many types of mouse are there? Okay. The second question is, which mouse has a ball under it? Now, the third one is, what is the full form of LED? Okay, so these are the 3 questions. Okay, so do these questions and send it to me quickly. Alright? So I hope you all have understood what are mouse and what are the types of mouse. So students, if you have any problem in this topic, then please ask me. Do not keep the doubts in your mind. Okay? Alright students, bye-bye. Take care.